238. For my brother, I'ma pop. Did her wrong, I'm sending shot. Anything goes on that block. Will beat on my his sock. She ain't nothing but a thought. Yeah, going at the spot. Fucked her, then I kicked her out. She was running her damn mouth. For my brother, I'ma pop. Did her wrong, I'm sending shot. Anything goes on that block. Will beat on my his sock. She ain't nothing but a thought. Yeah, going at the spot. Fucked her.
Alright, well, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a natural hairstyle. I just finished washing my hair, and so now it's in this t-shirt. I use t-shirts when it's time to dry my hair because it eliminates the friction. If you were to use a towel, it would be pulling on your hair, and I have natural hair. So it's in 4 sections from when I washed it. And I ain't about to see me look like somebody crazy. I don't know, self. Alright, exactly, period. So it's in those 4 sections, and I went ahead and twisted them while I was in the shower, while I was washing my hair. Look at that. Perfect. So already pretty much. So what I'm gonna do is undo them. But I'm gonna go from like the arch of my eyebrow, and back, so that way it's more falling in front. I'm just going to twist that section. And since I don't feel like getting clips, we're going to turn it into like a little bantu knot. And then we're going to secure it with a hair tie. And the hair tie broke. The hair tie freaking broke. Alright, Alright, that's that part. Look at this. Just chaotic. Alright, so now I'm going to follow. I feel like it's not even straight. just want to like do my hair. Alright, now I'm going to section this other part and the back part, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and I sectioned this off for last. Then I did the middle part. Then the back is left like this. So it looks like this from the side. Pretty much this is gonna be done last. This part is might be divided into two. I have to see. Maybe not, I don't know. But yeah. So my hair is starting to dry up some. So I have some products I'm gonna use and put on it. Just so I don't have to keep putting on each twist I do. So I have some Herbal Grow tea tree grease, some growth cream by Tea Tree, so it's kind of this white consistency, and then I have this Recovery anti-breakage oil moisturizer, and it's white as well. And then I have some Africa's Best Triple Repair oil moisturizer, Miracle Cream, and it's also that white consistency as well. And then we also have this little concoction I made. It's like a mixture of oils, tea tree repair spray, and that's about it. And then I also have this natural hair extra hold style stay glue, which I'm not gonna put on my whole head. I'll just, like, when it's time to like section the twist, I'll put it on there. So that will be like before, but I'm about to do all of the other products first. Split that section into two. Now I'm about to pin it up. So now you're working with this in the back. Then I would say when it's time to do each twist, you would use the extra hold styling stay glue just for the roots. Yeah, just for the root. I don't know, maybe the whole twist. So yeah, we're just gonna need some rubber bands too, so I'll be right back. So I decided to do the first row. I only did 4 back there, 4, and I put rubber bands at the end. So I'm gonna repeat this process all the way up, and I'll come back when I'm like to this part. I wanted to come back before I finish this part, but this part is going to be mainly just like the back, the rest of it. But this one is going to be where the style is. 3 rows, I guess. Yeah, 3 rows of rubber bands, and then connect it to the next one and do like a cross pattern, and I'll be right back. For now, I'm about to do this last section, the same as the back. I went ahead and did this design on the side, and I'll show y'all that more later, but pretty much I just parted 5 squares, ended up connecting each one to the one across, and then connecting it to a rubber band right here. Then I put some jewels, some of these where the rubber bands are, and so I want to moisturize this last part and finish up, and I'll be right back. I'm finally done with this whole section here. They ended up like falling in front, but I'm done. Whole head. I like how they fall in front like that better. But if I guess it depends on which way you twist, and that's the way they'll stay or whatever. But it's cute or whatever. But okay, so over here, this might end up changing, but you kind of see the pattern. But yeah, I can easily put some bobby pins in so that it stays a certain way. That way it's not, I can really put these back here, to be honest. I wanted to tuck them behind that so you can see the pattern more. Definitely. But let's check the you probably can't see it on this, but look at that compared to, look at that bounce, yo. Bounce biggity, no, I'm playing. But yes, it's a look. But this hairstyle right here is like once in a year, like, cause it just, yeah, it takes a minute to do or whatever, but it's easy. Just gotta be dedicated, and it's a good workout for your hands. Last time I did this, it was last year, so this is a once a year hairstyle. But it's good to keep doing hairstyles like this, like twist outs and stuff, because it'll define your curl pattern, the one I told you about that I ain't got. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the